Embroidery by Edith Ann. Today I'm going to show you our new spring floral tote bag. I'm going to show you some of the features that it has, and I'm going to demo one of those features. Now what I'm going to show you, as a demo in this video is the magnetic snap that is part of the design. This is on a tab, and you can add this to this bag. This is like the very last thing you do on this tote bag. You add the magnetic snap. You can also add it to tote bags that you purchased and you wish that it had a closing. I don't like bags that run the risk of things falling out. So that's why I've added the magnetic snap. You can add this to any kind of tote bag that you might already have. So stay tuned, because I'm going to demo how to do it, and there's also a free PDF pattern that you can download that gives you the pattern for making this tab and how to put the magnetic snap. Today I'm going to show you how to make a magnetic snap tab that you can add to any tote bag that you might have. It consists of the male and the female magnetic snap, which is what you're always going to be using when you're putting a magnetic snap on. And these are very easy to do. They look daunting, putting magnetic snaps on, but they really are very easy. You start with 2 washers and a male and a female magnetic snap. And what we're going to be making is this tab right here. I like to use a faux leather vinyl type of fabric that you can find in the home dec departments of Hobby Lobby and Joann Fabrics. But this one right here, I actually bought this on Amazon. It comes in different colors with this embossed design. It also comes in solids. And I really like this this embossed that we used on our spring floral tote bag. Now we put, and I've done this on several of our tote bags, added a tabbed magnetic snap closure. You can put this on any pre-purchased tote bag you might have or you might buy. All it has to have is a finished edge up at the top. It doesn't have to have a lining like our spring floral bag does, but just a finished area at the top, and you just add the tabs right to the top of the bag. And I'll show you how to do that. Now what we do is take these 2 ovals, and we do have a PDF pattern available for you free that you can download to use to place on your fabric. You can either just take a disappearing ink pin and just run around the edge, or you can just pin it on and cut it that way, however you like to cut out your patterns. But it's going to be folded over, and on this pattern there is the image of the washer, because that's what you use to make your slits in your vinyl that you're going to be running the prongs of the magnetic snap through. So I have already marked my slits. I just cut through these 2 slots right here, and I used a pin, and I marked my openings right here on the fabric. Then what you want to do is you take a rotary cutter or some sharp scissors and just cut through that fabric on those 2 lines, making a small slit. You don't want a big one. And then now you want to take one of your magnetic snaps and put it through the slits that you just made, through those openings. And you want the magnetic snap to be on the outside of the vinyl. And you want your prongs to be on the inside. You're going to fold those over to the middle, but first you want to put a washer on. And the washer goes through those prongs, and then just take those prongs and just push them over to the center. I use some kind of a hard object. This is just a corner pointer tool. And you want that to go into the center not towards the outside, because what you're going to be doing is after you get those pushed in, you're going to fold that over in the middle, and you're going to top stitch about 1/8 of an inch all the way around the raw edges to connect this and make it in half so that it stays. Now you want to be sure that that magnetic snap is allowing enough room for the zipper foot to go around. You don't have to top stitch this folded edge yet. That's what the part that's going to be going on your bag. But right now you just want to make sure that you've got enough room to do that. You want to put a zipper foot on your machine and top stitch around that outer edge about 1/8 of an inch. Now you're going to do the same. Now you're going to do the same thing to the other side with the male side of the magnetic snap, and fold it over and top stitch just as we did on the female. What you're going to end up with is 2 of these, a male and a female, top stitched around. And then this is the pre-purchased bag that I showed you. You take this and you find the middle of your bag and place that with clip on the center. And then if you take your other side and you just match it right here, clip it on, and then bring your bag over, you can be assured that you're going to be matching one to the other. And just clip this one, and then take it to your machine, and you're going to top stitch with the zipper foot. You're going to top stitch across this outer edge here so that it connects to the bag. Now you can use a pre-purchased tote bag to do that. We also have our spring floral bag. This is one of them. We have several of these bags available on our website. And at the very end is where this magnetic snap goes on. And this has full instructions on the written tutorial. And this particular bag has pockets, has a lining, and uses that same embossed vinyl on the base and on the sides, and then it has the applique in the center. All of this is done in the hoop, the quilting, and the design, the swirl design, and the applique, and the other pieces are put on using a regular sewing machine, with full instructions and a video, complete video tutorial. Hope you enjoy.